Dito na kami sa may palace. Ano na ito? Nakalimutan ko na. Gyeongdong. I forgot the name.
Gyeongdong?
Parang ganyan. Hindi ko
Sounds weird, right?
Yeah. Kaya ang hirap ayusin nito. Ano ito sa buhok ko. Gugulo.
이제 군직복이 회장하는 절차인 삼엄을 알리는 큰 곡을 치겠습니다.
There will be drum beats to signal the end of the changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony.
现在机体仪式首项交接仪式结束。
Where's our tour guide?
Who is she?
I don't know. Where is she? Nawala na yung tour guide namin. Iniwan na kami. Can you take a picture of the flag?
Okay.
Sweet! She's counting, I don't know. She's touching everyone.
She's blessing us.
Yeah, she's
or something.
Wow.
Look there.
I want these, oh, the traditional. Yeah, I know. Pwede lang mag-rent eh, ng traditional.
Careful.
Slippery.
Slippery. Careful.
Oh, look at that. A lot of people are wearing the traditional clothes. Ah, it's ice. The yellow. Where's our tour guide?
Oh no, sorry about that.
Where is she? Oh. Here.
Green umbrella. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice palace, right? There, oh, got snow.
Cool.
Malamig siya.
Good thing is it's sunny. Oh, I thought one more. Same as ours.
Dami tao.
Kimchi!
Kimchi!
Spicy kimchi!
Kimchi daw. Nice.
Follow.
There were several reasons. First reason is symbolizing king's dignity.
Sige, mahiwalay na kami. We are given 15 minutes para mag-explore on our own, tapos mag-picture daw. And it's so cold. My God, my hands are freezing. Basa kasi I washed my hand.
But it's nice, right?
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it too. You're still sleepy? Have a headache or something?
Yeah. No, but very, very sleepy.
Kanina nakatulog. I feel naka-idlip ako dun sa may sa may upuan na nahanap namin.
And the next flight will be what?
6.
12 hours?
Oh my god. Good luck. Ah. Last flight.
Oh my god, it's frozen.
Yeah. Nice last.
Frozen lake. Frozen lake.
That's gonna be our last flight for this year, yung mamaya. Then next year, yan ang next travel. Yeah, it's frozen. Let's take a picture na. So guys, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng free transit tour, pwede nyo i-check yung website ng Incheon Airport. Tapos pwede kayo mag-sign up doon. Pero usually, ano na siya, fully booked siya. Kasi chinek ko rin yun mga 2 months ago. 2 months before kami mag-travel ni Sumit, mga ganyan. Fully booked na siya. Tapos, pwede lang kayo mag-try sa parang tourist information. Yung kanina yung sa desk nila. Tanong nyo kung meron pang available. Pag na-chempo nyo may available, makasama kayo sa tour.
Look at this green umbrella.
It's only 11:37. I want picture here. Dito. It's okay. Meron pala dito yung area na parang ano, yung old Korea. Hindi ko na napakita. Galing na kami ni Sumit dito nag-picture kanina. Ayan. Nice.
Every month, when king visit Prince building, they used to
Tapos na kami dito sa may palace. So now, next, pupunta kami ng parang local market. Pero sobrang mabilisan lang. Tapos babalik na kami agad sa airport. Yeah, I hope. Sabi kasi ng tour guide namin, parang baka wala daw kaming enough time para kumain.
Fried chicken, barbecue, pork, barbecue what?
Not
Beef?
pork.
I don't know, barbecue chicken?
Something like that. Tapos yung mga...
Sweet, what?
Yeah, yung mga dito parang fish cake nila na naka-skewers. Ayun yung mga gusto ko i-try. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. Nandito na kami sa may market. Wala kaming dalang Korean won. So we hope na nag-accept sila ng card.
It's the same as
Yeah.
these ones?
I wanna eat all these. Mga ganyan lang yung gusto ko eh.
Oh, what is that?
Toilet.
Information center. Information center.
Yeah, if you have questions.
Level down, basement, public toilet. Very clean. Good work. Over 1 kilometer in Sadong Street. Our meeting is here. So enjoy your free time.
Bye.
12:25.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go na! Explore! Look for Korean fried chicken. And look for currency. Ay, cheese chalga. Sarap. Ito na corn dog. Yeah, I want. Let's go find the...
Ask if he accepts the card.
Go ask.
4, 3...
Yeah.
Oh, 3 means 3,000.
Yeah.
That's what she said. 4 means 4,000.
Let's find a bank or something first. Why we didn't think of it earlier? Hindi namin naisip na baka hindi sila nagtatanggap ng card. Uy, egg bread. Sarap po. 2,000. Oh, wala nang tao.
No more. Closed.
Self-service. Make your own. Oh. What are these? Nice. Wow, we are in Korea, my dream country.
More places.
Oh, more places. Let's find money first. Money first.
It's already like noon. Used to be very crowded. Okay, bây ra ngoài bro. Đi ra ngoài được chứ đi. Đi đâu hết rồi.
So where are you going? Kung saan nagsusuot si Sumitsing.
Do you accept card? Yeah.
But it looks sad. I want the street food, not these.
People are eating inside.
Yeah, but I want street food.
Hmm?
The sticks, not this. Ay, they're taking picture. They're taking picture. Okay. So, yung presyo doon ng bilihin dito sa Insadong Market at saka sa Incheon Airport are the same. Yes. I want these two. Pera na lang kulang.
Setting up.
Yeah. Oh, candies made in Korea. What are these? No sugar rice. Kala mo may pera eh. Wala naman pera. Picture na lang. May bangko ba rito? Ano yan? Wow, looks good. Ayan, chokboki ba yan? Ano ba yan? That's what I wanted to try. It's really good. You should try this. That's the one. Yummy.
Fish cake?
And chokboki, something like rice cake.
Ah, nice.
It's very popular. Ayun na, fish cake, mini kimbap. Pero di sila ma-accept ng card. Yummy, oh.